We are going to use cubism just like Paul Klee. Cubism is when forms are reduced to basic shapes. Check out Klee's shapes he used for his self-portrait. This is a cityscape by Paul Klee. What shapes do you see? Check out some more cubistic city shapes by Paul Klee. Now let's try to create our own. Just like Paul Klee, we are going to create our own cityscape. So you want to turn your picture landscape style, which means short and fat or horizontal. If you turn your paper tall and skinny, we call this portrait style because many times when you're painting a portrait of a person, it's up and down. But you want to turn your paper to the side, okay? This is called landscape style, which is perfect because we are going to draw a landscape, specifically a city landscape. So we are going to be using the element of shape first. Remember, elements are the ingredients of art. We are going to use a variety of shapes, whether they are tall or short and fat and tall and skinny, or different types of shapes, which would be a variety. We need a variety to make it more interesting. Because if you go down to Pittsburgh, there are tall buildings, there are short buildings, there are teeny tiny buildings in between buildings. So we are going to draw our own cityscape. So just like Klee, he has a variety of shapes. So we are going to make simple shapes like squares, rectangles, triangles, and circles in our cityscape, my friends. We will be coloring these in, so make sure you're drawing them large enough that you can color them in. Perfection is boring, so don't worry about perfection. Notice how they're next to each other? I give it a sun. And then begin to color. Make sure when you're coloring that there is no white showing. Color the same way, the same direction. Take your time and have no white paper showing through.